To purchase a Chainswap on Coinbase Wallet, start by opening the platform and clicking on the search icon at the top of the screen. Then, type Chainswap in the search bar and select it from the search results. Next, click the Buy button and enter the amount you want to purchase. You will then need to select a payment method by clicking on the designated area, which will open a screen with multiple payment options. Choose an existing payment method or add a new one by clicking Add Payment Method. After selecting your payment method, return to the previous screen. Enter the amount again and click Preview Buy. Review the details of your purchase, including the amount and payment method, and then click Confirm to complete the transaction. This process is quick and easy, and following these steps will allow you to successfully buy a Chainswap on Coinbase Wallet.